Hello students, welcome to Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus, and today you are watching 8th English Literature class, and these slides are prepared by Safahan, language teacher of Dhaka Secondary School. So students, our today's topic is Romeo and Juliet, and our learning agenda is short summary of Romeo and Juliet, rearrange the events exercise, and third agenda is question answers from question number 5 to question number 8. So students, here comes our first topic, short summary of Romeo and Juliet. So one by one paragraph I'll tell you and explain you. Basically, Romeo and Juliet fall in love at a party, but they come from families which hate each other. They are sure they will not be allowed to marry. Nevertheless, helped by Friar Lawrence, they marry in secret instead. Unfortunately, before their wedding night, Romeo kills Juliet's cousin in a duel, and in the morning he is forced to leave her. If he ever returns to the city, he will be put to death. Basically, students, here it says that Romeo and Juliet fall in love with each other and after seeing in the party, but they were rival. They were from rival families. Their families hate each other. They don't want to see each other. But instead of this, they got married and they wanted to live together. But a tragedy happens there. After getting married, Romeo kills the cousin of Juliet because his cousin was killed by Tybalt. That's why. And then after that, the prince of Verona told him to leave the Verona city as a punishment. If he was seen there, then he will be put to death. It is said in this paragraph. Now, in the second paragraph, you see Juliet's parents told her she must marry Paris. Her parents do not know she is already married. She refuses in the beginning but later agrees because she plans to fake her death and escape to be with Romeo forever. Again, with the help of Friar Lawrence. So, in this paragraph, students, we learn that actually Juliet, after killing parents, Juliet's parents, Lord Capulet, arranged a marriage of his daughter with Paris, who was the relative of Prince, and he wanted to convince her to get married with the Paris, but she was not because she knows that she is already married. So she did not want to marry, so she directly went to Friar Lawrence in order to come out from such problems. And Friar Lawrence made a plan there, and she made a plan to make her death in fake. And after that, they will go from Verona in order to live together forever in their life. So now you can see in third paragraph, Friar Lawrence designs a plan. He gives Juliet a sleeping poison. She appears to be dead and was put in one room. However, Romeo does not know about the plan, visits her grave, thinks she is dead, and kills himself. When Juliet finally wakes up, she discovers that Romeo is dead and then kills herself. So, in this paragraph, students, we learn that Friar Lawrence made a plan after this tragedy, and he made a plan that when he gives Juliet a poison in order to make her death fake, and when she was buried there in the tomb, Romeo and Friar Lawrence would go there and take her out from the tomb, and they will after that live together. But unfortunately, it does not happen, and after that, when Romeo couldn't get the message of Friar Lawrence, so he thought that Juliet was, or in reality, dead, and he went to Verona in order to see her in tomb. But unfortunately, he saw there Paris, and it gets him angry, and he killed Paris. And after that, he took poison, which he took in his pocket, and after when he got killed, died, Then Juliet wakes up, and when she sees him, Romeo, she also put dagger in her belly and got died. So this is what the summary of Romeo and Juliet students here. Now I move towards the second part, rearrange the events. So students, you would see here 5 sentences of the story. So you are supposed to join all these 5 sentences with the events. What event occurred first? So Paris scattered flowers on Juliet tombs. So Romeo had killed Paris. Juliet drank the friar's medicine. Romeo broke into the tomb, and Romeo drank poison and died. So here you see 5 different events. So first event is our Juliet drank the friar's medicine. It occurs first. Then Paris scattered flowers on Juliet's tomb. Then Romeo broke into the tomb, and after that Romeo killed the Paris. And in the last, Romeo drank poison and died. So these are the arrangements of these 5 events, students. Now I move towards our last point, question answer. So here comes our first question. Why did Friar Lawrence give medicine to Juliet? Obviously he wants her to make her fake death in order to live forever with Romeo. Okay, this is a plan of Friar Lawrence in order to make in order to live with Romeo in a happy life. Okay. So why did Friar run away when Juliet wake up? Because the Friar ran away when Juliet woke up because his plan was failed, and the voice he heard of people made him terrified. So now here comes the third question. Explain how the Capulets and Montagues discovered what had happened to Romeo, Paris and Juliet. Paris' servant, when seeing the fight between his master and Romeo, he had come back with Lord Montague and Capulet, followed by the Prince of Verona. They had seen the friar coming from the tomb, crying and shaking, and he was ordered to explain those strange, terrible events. He told the old lords Montague and Capulets of their children's love and part he had played in their marriage. And he hoped that it would end the long quarrel between their families. The servant who had come with Romeo was able to tell them that the friar's story was right. So here comes our last question. How did the death of Romeo and Juliet bring peace to their families? So here comes the answer of fourth question. The two lords agreed to bury their quarrel by building their children's statue of gold in Verona, and in this way each lord tried to be kinder than the other. Now the deaths of their children had taken away their hatred. This is the answer of these 4 questions, friends. I hope you got the answer regarding this. Just watch the video carefully and listen to it. Then you can easily get the idea about this. Okay, students, I hope you got it. Thank you so much.